So this is equivalent to 2 liters, right? Yeah, 2 liters. So now I need to chug 1 liter. So this probably won't make me throw up. It's like half a gallon basically, but it was a liter of juice or something. So I'm going to just keep pouring it into this glass and drinking it. It's much easier than drinking it out of that, obviously. So, here we go. Tastes like lollipops. It's Kool-Aid and raspberry Kool-Aid. Yep. I have to burp really, really bad, but it won't come out. Did I hear that? I hate that so much. Oh my god. Really? It's like a big burp right down on my belly. And it won't come up. Probably one more glass after this one. Oh my god. Really? Huh. Hold on. If I throw up, that'll suck really bad. Oh, people just got off the bus. Hey! My tummy hurts. It's gonna be the last day for right now and for tonight or something. Ow. This hurts really bad, guys. I just drank. Oh, that's 3 minutes for now. Really will suck if I throw up. If I throw up, I swear to God. Okay, I don't know. Oh, it's so bad. Brady! I'm scared. I'm gonna kill that dog. So, oh. Ow, my stomach. It serves worse than when I drink half a gallon of milk. Ow. This wasn't a good idea. I say that with a lot of the things I do, though, so. It's weird doing dares alone. Sarah, you're mean. Why'd you have to babysit children? Oh, this hurts so bad. Maybe I will throw up. There's still more after this 4th cup that I might drink. I don't know. I'm never drinking raspberry Kool-Aid again. It's gross. It's officially gross. Okay. I already did 1 liter. Why am I going for 2 anyway? That was a funny burp. I dared to vlog an entire day. I really don't know how I'm gonna do that. Okay guys, this really sucks. I drank more than a liter. I drank like a liter and a half. I don't like this anymore. This isn't fun. They only made me drink 1, I'm drinking 2. Why? Why do I do these things to myself? I'm stupid, that's why. Why did I make a dare channel? Because I'm stupid, that's why. There's that burp that I needed. Oh my god, that feels so much better. Oh. Yay. Okay, there's 1 more. I don't think it's that big though. I feel water in my throat. I don't feel like drinking anything else. I feel like shit now. Ew. It's starting to feel better. It's starting to feel really better. Look at like the glare like going through there. That's cool. Kind of trying to make myself brave because this hurts still a little bit. Okay, I think I'm done drinking all this, and I'm gonna change back into normal clothes. And might do other days later, but it's not gonna be in a dress or anything. So yeah, but thinking my old channel, Lexi Cupcakes, is going to be my vlog channel probably. If I ever use it, I'm gonna try to start using it again because I know some people like vlogs, and I already have tons of subscribers on that one. So yeah. Okay. So So as I continue to burp, I will leave, and this is going down the drain. This is gross, and I'm never drinking it again. Bye, guys.